Thinking about using Whatnot in 2025? Whether you are buying collectibles or selling your own stash, this is the honest review you need. Let's break down Whatnot from both the seller and buyer perspectives. No fluff, just facts. What is Whatnot? Whatnot is a live shopping app that exploded in popularity for selling collectibles like trading cards, comics, sneakers, and even toys. Think of it like eBay meets Twitch. Real-time auctions, real-time engagement. Buyer experience. Pros of buyers. Live auctions equal great deals. You can chat with sellers in real time, rare finds you cannot get on traditional platforms. Buyer protection policies are decent. Cons for buyers. Shipping delays happen, especially from smaller sellers. No guarantee you are getting the best price. Auctions can be impulsive. App can feel overwhelming if you are new. Overall, buying on Whatnot can be thrilling, but it is easy to overspend or miss important item details during fast-paced auctions. Seller experience. Pros for sellers. Engaged audience equal faster sales. Live interaction builds trust. Payouts are fairly quick within 2 to 3 days of delivery. Built-in shipping label system is super convenient. Cons for sellers. You need to apply and get approved to sell. You must entertain and manage a live audience. Whatnot takes around 8% plus payment processing fees. No shows and non-paying buyers can be frustrating. If you are comfortable being on camera and running a live show, Whatnot is a powerful selling tool. But if you are camera shy or want quick passive sales, it may not be for you. Final verdict. Buyers should use Whatnot if they are looking for rare finds and enjoy the thrill of live auctions. Just set a budget and stick to it. Sellers should try Whatnot if they have inventory to move and enjoy interacting live. It is not eBay. You need energy and personality. Whatnot is still growing in 2025 with lots of potential, but also a few growing pains. It is not for everyone, but for the right people. It works really well. Have you bought or sold on Whatnot? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you find this review helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in a new honest review.